Kia ora, and on behalf of Foodstuffs and all of our New Zealand team, I just wanted to say thank you to all of our customers. You know, our team of 39,000 have worked hard with you during the COVID-19 period to get us to this level 1 point safely. And we couldn't be happier that we are here now and we're going from #shopnormal to shopping normally. Thank you to all New Zealanders who worked with us to get through this event. Firstly, to our customers, we want to say thank you for working with us to keep everyone safe and to get through this. To our teams in our stores who turned up every day with the same feelings and the same fears many New Zealanders had, but did the job for our customers and for New Zealanders, we couldn't be more humbled and more proud of what you did. To our many supplier partners who stood with us, rolled their sleeves up and worked out how we were going to get through this intense period of demand, thank you for your commitment and for working with us. And also to government who partnered with us, trusted us to do what we needed to do during this time, and together we're able to deliver a program that's made a real difference and on a global scale looks pretty good right now. We want to say thank you as well. We're deeply grateful to all New Zealanders who shopped with us during that time for what you did, for how you worked with us, for how you made it bearable for everybody during a very strange time. And we're just so rapt that we're now back to normal and we can all enjoy this thing again. Cheers.